Oh, hello, Mr. Bloxham here from Bakewell School. I'm just showing some Year 9 pupils how to make Bakewell tart. In here I'm making the pastry, which is 100 grams of flour, 50 grams of marge, 2 tablespoons of water. I've got the sponge in here, 50 marge, 50 self-raising flour, and 50 sugar, 1 egg, whisked together, the all-in-one method. We do that to save the washing up. We do the Bakewell challenge, which is a timed event, and all the pupils get their name on the door if they can do it within a certain time, under 10 minutes. My fastest pupil ever is 3 minutes 59. I'm going to do it well under that obviously now, and I'd like you to see if you can beat me. If you do, you can make a comment. Are we ready then? So after 3, 2, 1, go. So the first thing I do is rub it together. Rub it together. When it goes in the oven, Lucy, you're going to put it in front of the camera, the timer, just to show them, okay. Right? So rub it together. So this is called the rubbing in method. Short crust pastry. The margarine or the fat covers the gluten granules. That's why it's called short crust pastry. Once it's rubbed together, no lumps in it. Get the water in, 2 tablespoons. Hold it with one hand. Mix it with the other. Now make sure you mix it like this with one hand, nice and quick. Then as you can see, I get it all out and my bowl is empty. I finished with that for a minute, put it there. Flour on the table. If I want it round, I have to start with it round. So round, roll it, spin it, roll it, spin it, nearly big enough, roll it, spin it, that's big enough. Lift round the rolling pin so it doesn't collapse. Over the baking tin. Now this is one thing the pupils forget to do. Lift it up, tuck it in, lift it up, tuck it in, all the way round. Any excess I'm going to get off with the rolling pin. Any excess off with the rolling pin, and it's pushed into the corners. Rolling pin, they're going to make a jam tart. If they can do it in under 10 minutes, they use the excess pastry. Then we put the jam in, spread it around with the back of the spoon. Then we put the egg in the big bowl. Then we had the pastry in, crack it on the table, egg in the rubbish bowl, whisk this up for 30 seconds roughly. As I'm whisking it, I'm going round with it. So roughly 30 seconds in here. You could put some almonds or almond essence in, but I haven't put any in. When you finish on the side of the bowl, turn it off. Turn it off, put it on the side, make sure it's not leaning over so anybody knocks it. With a spatula, all out, all in one go. They're also going to get a time penalty if they leave any sponge in the bowl. Anything more than 10 grams is 3 seconds per gram. Spread it out, ready to go in the oven. Get ready with the timer, Lucy, and have it running when you show it, and then stop it once you've done it. And in the oven, and time. And how far is it, Lucy? I'll have a look. So I'll show them this. So as you can see, 2:32. I've done it quicker before. That's their challenge. So if they've done that, I'll also show you the bowl. So as you can see, I've left less than 10 grams in there. So what I'm going to do is weigh it, because this is one thing. Only the ones that do it in 10 minutes will weigh the bowl, and that will only be on average 1 or 2 in the class. So in the bowl here, I need to do this and wash the bowl up, and the spatula actually, because it's what's on the spatula as well. Do it to 0. Do it to 0, so if we can see here, I'll just move the camera. That says, I need to do it to 0 first. Oh, I don't know if I've done that right. Let me do that again. So I should do it to 0, then weigh it, and then do it afterwards. That's made a mistake there, sorry. So that is 229 grams. Let's see if you see that there. Then I'm going to wash and wipe the bowl up with some hot soapy water. Oh, thing's a bit full. So I'm going to wipe that up any second. Let's put a bit of water on the floor. Wipe it up. I dry the spatula. Dry the bowl. The bowl should go upside down obviously so they drain. Dry the bowl. Make sure it's on 0. So it's 270 Well, I don't know what it was on before. Oh, I don't think these scales are very good. Oh, that's exactly 10 grams. I think these scales are a bit dodgy. I'm not sure that. I don't know if you can see the screen now. I don't know if the scales are working very well. That was definitely less than 10 grams though. But anyway, that's thank you from Mr. Bloxham at Bay House School.
Like and subscribe!